Myself Dandala Pranav, pursuing FY BCom from SDJIC. My roll number is 107, Division A. I am here to present my assignment 4. Introduction. We have seen earlier that production implies creation or addition of value. According to Professor Nicholson, production is the creation or addition of those economic utilities which in general are the result of labor processes, exchange value and are appropriated. In this sense, production can be defined as a creation of values. Such values may exist in the form of good or in the form of direct services. Production theory is applied not only to the production, distribution, and storage of tangible goods, it can also be applied to several activities. In fact, production is an activity that increases consumers' usability of goods and services. What is production functions? Microeconomics, as we know, studies the behavior pattern of consumers and firms. So far as the behavior of firms is concerned, the cost of production occupies an important place. The aim of firm is profit maximization, and to this end, it will so deploy the facts that it is able to get maximum output at the least cost. The term production functions refer to the relationship between the inputs and the output produced by them. A firm that wants to produce something has to coordinate the factors of production, and in addition, it has to procure and use other inputs. The term input is wider than factors of production. All those goods and services that a firm uses in the process of production may inputs. For example, a firm may be using laborers, capital and land, but in addition to this, it may be using fuel, raw materials, steel, dyes and number of other things. Sometimes all these are lumped together and treat either as land or capital. A production functions experience a relationship between input and output under condition of a given technology. That is, production exhibits a purely technical relation between connected factors and outputs. Thus, the relationship between inputs and output is known as production function. It includes technical efficiency method of production. Thus, giving the technical condition of a production, the output particular type of good depends on the quantity of two or more production function. They can be experienced as follows. Q is equals to X, X2, X3. Here Q is equals to amount of output, X1 is equals to amount of land, X2 is equals to unit of laborers, X3 is equals to unit of capital. The above equation shows that the quantity of output depends upon the production functions experience the relationship between the quantity of output and the quantity of the various inputs used. Assumptions of production function. The production function rests on two main assumptions. A. State of technology remains the same during a given period. If there is a change in the technology, it would result in an alternative of input and output relationship despite by the production functions. B. It assures that the firm utilize their input at the maximum level of efficiency. That is, the production function includes all the technology efficiency method of production. It may be noted here that if production functions includes only a single technique efficiency method, it is called one process function. And if it includes the two efficient process, it is known as two process production functions. Besides the above two assumptions, the following 2 points must be also noted. Production functions like the demand function is the consideration with reference to a particular period of time. Production functions experience a flow of output resulting in a flow of input during a specific period of time. Production functions of a firm is determined by the state of technology. In the event of a technology advance, the production function changes results in greater flow of output which can be obtained from the given input, or smaller quantity of input can be used for production a given quantity of output.